Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Decode. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to use SUMIF and SUMIFS function in Power BI using DAX. If you do not subscribe this channel, please subscribe now to learn advanced Excel, VBA macro and Power BI. First, we'll start with SUMIF, then we'll move to SUMIFS. SUMIF formula based on any specific category, you can get the total. Similarly, Power BI, in case if I want total for, let's say HP, okay, I want total for HP, the actual sales. So how do I get it? So generally, SUMIF we use select the criteria, we select the range, and then we select the criteria, and then we select the value. So based on that, we get the total of specific criteria. Okay. Similarly, here let's see how it works. So here I want HP. Okay, total sales of HP. Let's see how it comes. So now let's select this table. I don't want budget. We'll select sales and new measure. So let's add sum of HP sales equal. So to use SUMIF, you have to use the calculate function. To use calculate, start with calculate. So this is very important function. Using this, you can do anything. So calculate the first expression. I want the total sales. Expression is nothing but the total sales. Like so, let's say sales, sum of sales, sum. If you already have sum, you can use it, but I don't want to use that. So already have a total sum, but I don't want to use it. Let's start with the beginning. So sales from sales report 2019, close. Out of this total sales, this expression is done. Now I need to apply filter. The filter is going to be which table I'm going to filter. So brand. So brand is also from the same table. So sales report 2019 brand equal to what I'm going to choose. So I'm going to choose HP. Close the bracket. So now if you see, so now we got sum of HP. Let's add card and see whether the number is correct or not. So now you can see 7 million. So HP 7 million. To see in decimal whether the number is matching exactly, let's see here. Decimal is 2, 731, 731. Okay, if I put single decimal, 7.3, 7.3. This is matching. Same thing you can also do using quick measure, which we have seen. Let me show you again. So quick measure. So filter value. So let me pull this one, sales, filter criteria brand, and I want HP. Okay. So now you can see here sum of filtered value. I don't know where. So sales different. Let me drag and see where it. I'm not sure where it added. See, sale of HP is 7.1 million. You can either use quick measure or you can also use new measure. If you use quick measure, you can look at the formula here. If you click this arrow, down arrow, so you can see here calculate sum of sales, comma, and in the brand it's HP. So both almost same, but here it's the system generated. The other one is what we built. Okay, so So in case if you are beginner, you can try with the quick measure. Okay, if you are almost familiar with the DAX, then you can go to quick measure. Okay, once you started doing quick measures, then you will be familiar with all the DAX jargons. Okay, so now let's move to the next DAX formula. Now let's look at sum ifs. So the difference between sum if and sum ifs is, using sum if formula, you can get the sum of any specific category of the data. Like last time we have seen, we have brand. Out of this, we got the total sale of HP. So 7 million. Okay, this is only one criteria. But using sum ifs, we can get total sale of multiple criteria. Okay, so now let's assume I want to know, I have HP. Okay, out of HP, I want to know what is the China sales. Okay, so I want HP brand, or let me take some other brand instead of HP. Let's take Apple. Okay, in Apple, I want China sales, the actual sales. So let's look at it. So let's insert a box. So you can insert a card, maybe in the beginning, also in the end, both will work. So insert a card, select this, and then new measure. So this is going to be Apple sum of Apple China. So this is what I want. Equal calculate. So since I need the total sale of Apple and China, and let me take sum of total sales from sales report, close the bracket, comma, filter. The first filter is brand. So brand from sales report, brand equal Apple, comma, then second filter. So now if I go to second filter, you can see filter 1, filter 2, filter 3. You can add n number of filter like Excel. Excel also we can add n number of criteria. So here also we can add n number of criteria. So here let's see country. So country from country mapping, because we already have country in the country mapping. So here also we have country, we can also pick that. So both will work. Equal China. Okay, done. Let's press enter. So now let's add this in the visuals. Apple China, just add this 1 million. Apple China sale is 1 million. If you want to see exactly in the decimal, just add decimal here. Data label, display unit 1 decimal. $1.1 million. See, 1.1 million. If you want to check the whole amount, none. You can see the exact amount here, 1129088. 1129088. Okay, so this is sum if. So using sum if, you can add n number of category and you can get the total of the value. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in another video. Bye bye.